Wrapping the text of your content allows for a modern and clean look. The wrapping text feature is available within the image block as well as our blog posts. To begin, click on the Design tool and navigate to the page you'd like to modify. Once on the page, click on the image or the text in the appropriate content block and redirect your attention to the design options on the right-hand side of the preview. Beneath the Layout drop-down, select one of the options that have text either to the left or to the right of the image. One of these options must be selected in order to wrap your text. Once that is done, you'll see a box appear that has Wrap Text next to it. Simply click on the box and make sure it is blue. A blue box means it's activated. Once you've finished designing and wrapping your text, be sure to click the green Save button to save your changes. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is support@gospacecraft.com. More articles and videos are available at support.gospacecraft.com.